In this video, I will show you how to create dynamic split screens in Premiere Pro. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Make sure that you have two video clips above each other like this. Click the first video or the top video and go to Effects Controls. You will then see Position. Change your X-axis until your picture is side by side. If I play my video, I will now have two videos side by side. If you need to make a few more edits like cropping out, you can then click the video that you would like to crop out, and on the right column you will see crop. You can crop the left or right. So I will crop the right and we can see it move. And then if I would like to add my top right video, I can then change the X-axis and bring it in. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.